Are you stuck on a question? Don't know which formulas to use? Well, don't worry! In Snapask Regular Class, we will equip you with the foundation and knowledge you need, breaking down difficult questions into clear step-by-step solutions. We will also help strengthen your basic skills as well as build up your confidence in answering questions with exclusive tips and tricks. Master topics effortlessly via our weekly classes taught by professional tutors. Learn at your own pace with unlimited access within the term. Sign up for Snapask Regular Class now. Let's play, learn, repeat.